Where's the video? Asan yung video? Ayan. So, anong nakikita mo? What do you see in the video?
I see a rocket.
You see a
I see a rocket.
rocket ba yan? Ah, oo. A rocket. Okay. So, you see a rocket. Nasaan yung rocket? Where is the rocket?
In a space.
Flying in the...
Flying in the sky.
Very good. And what's the weather like? What do you think? What's the weather? Do you think it's cloudy, rainy, sunny?
Cloudy.
Cloudy? Is it cloudy?
No, sunny.
Sunny. May clouds nga na malinaw. So it's a sunny day. Tapos may rocket, 'di ba? Okay. Nagfa-fly yung rocket. Oh. Nagfa-fly yung rocket. Oh, yung pala, yung rocket ay
See a boy and mother.
a boy and a mother. Anong ginagawa ng boy?
Boy is playing rocket.
The boy is playing with
Rocket.
his rocket
His-
toy.
His rocket toy.
Again, the boy
The-
is
The boy is
playing
playing
with his rocket toy.
toy.
And look at his what's in his head?
Space head. It's a
Ah.
space head.
It's a space helmet.
Helmet.
Naka siya, helmet siya. Sige.
This book.
Ayan. Ayan, so, naglalaro sila. Oh, ano yung nasa likuran niya? Ay. Ayan. Ano yung nasa likuran ni boy? What do you think yung nasa likod niya? Ano yun? Ano yung nasa likuran ng bata? What do you think ano yun?
It's a rocket.
Rocket. Para siya. Saan mo ginagamit yung rocket? Where do you use rocket?
In a
To ano? To fly.
fly.
So, he has a rocket kasi kala niya, feeling niya, lumilipad siya. He, feels like he's flying. Kasi he's playing with the rocket. What do you think, anong gusto niyang, maging paglaki niya? Sam, what do you think, anong magiging work niya paglaki? Ano ba yung mga nakasuot ng ganon, ng rocket? Sino ba yung ano bang mga trabaho nun? Yung nagsusuot ng space suit. Sino ba yung mga nagsusuot ng space suit? Anong tawag doon?
To fly.
Oo nga, lilipad sila. Pero, yung mga naka-rocket suit ay,
To fly.
ang tawag ay astronaut. Diba?
Astronaut.
Diba? Yung mga nagpupunta sa space, astronaut yung tawag. Yung mga naka-space suit. Nakakita ka na ba ng naka-space suit? Do you know how, yung itsura nung naka-space suit? Space suit.
Meron ba tayong marine wine, marine sauce?
Wala yata. Space suit, Sam. Space suit. Space suit. Tingnan mo yung, space suit. Ayan, ganyan, no? Parang gusto niya maging ganyan. Yan. Gusto niyang pumunta sa sky. sa labas ng Earth. Ayan, no? Nasa labas siya ng Earth. Parang ganyan siya, oh. Yan. No?
Yeah.
Diba? Sige. Yan mo, space. Lumilipad-lipad siya.
Sam is very good.
Ayan, ba't kaya siya napahinto? Yun. O, bakit siya napahinto? Why do you think he stopped from,
Nang nag-record yan.
walking? Oo, parang ka maingay.
Siya walked.
Why do you think he stops walking? Because, anong nakita niya? Why do you think he stopped? What did he see? Ano bang nakita niya? Ano yung nakita ng boy? Uy! Huwag na mag-play niyan. Anong nakita ng boy? Ano ba to? What do you think is this?
Siya
A rocket
rocket
toy.
toy.
So, ayan, na-amazed siya. Kasi may nakita siyang rocket toy. So, what do you think ang gagawin niya? So, bakit may nakalagay na coin? Papaandarin niya yan, di ba? So, paano aandar yung rocket? Paano aandar yung rocket? He needs a
Going.
coin. So, paano siya magkakaroon ng coin? Ayun, he needs a coin. Ayun, nakakuha ba siya ng coin? Nakakuha ba siya ng coin?
Yeah.
Oh, tapos, saan niya nilagay yung coin? Saan niya
Yeah.
nilagay? Ha? Nilagay niya yung token. Para
Okay.
umandar. So, nilagay niya yung token para umandar yung rocket na toy. Naintindihan?
Yes.
Sige. So, ayun na. Inoperate na niya. Ayan na. So, nag-start. Pindot na siya. Ayan. Nakala niya, lilipad na siya. So, ayun na. Nilagyan niya na ng toy. So, nag-move na yung rocket toy. Kaso, bakit parang nagtataka siya, Sam? Why? Why do you think nagtataka yung bata? Ano yun, coins? Kulit naman ni Sam eh. Huwag mo muna kasi intindihin yan. Intindihin mo tinatanong ko. Ano na nangyayari? Sige, ano nangyari? Sige, ano nangyari nung simula? Bakit napahinto yung boy? Why did the boy stop walking?
Siya
He saw
he saw rainbow. No. Rocket toy.
rocket toy. And when he saw the rocket toy, he what?
He
Went
went.
to the rocket toy and what did he put? What did he put to the rocket toy machine?
Put a token.
He put a token. Oh, tapos nung nag-put siya ng token, ano nangyari? What happened?
A way.
The toy, started to move. Diba? Uy! The toy started to move. Ayan. So, kaso, mag-ulit. Mali. Ayan na. Ayan na, nag-move na. Kaso, ano ginagawa niya? Ba't pinupukpok niya? Oh, bakit niya pinupukpok? What do you think? Bakit niya
It's broken.
he thought that rocket is broken? Kasi, hindi na maalis sa place, hindi lumilipad, nandun lang siya. Nagsisisaw lang. Uy, nakikinig ka ba?
Yes.
O, ano nangyari? O, sige, kwento mo. Anong nangyari na nung sumakay siya? What happened when when he ride the toy? Ano nangyari? Kulit naman ni Sammy. Akin na nga yan. Akin na yan, coins. Ano na? Ano na nangyari? Sige. Ayan. O, natuwa ba siya? Do you think the boy, likes it? Bakit ayaw nang gumalaw? O, ano yung nakita niya? Ano yung nakita niya?
Beauty.
Ayan, so. Ano ba yan? Ayaw gumalaw. Ayan na. So, huminto na kasi tapos na yung time. Di ba ganun sa mga, arcade?
Yes.
Pagkaubos na yung oras, humihinto. So, ano yung nakita niya? Ano yung nakita niya? What did he see?
Siya. Moon.
Ha? Ano yung nakasulat? Ano yung nakasulat?
Lemons.
Lemons, oh. Ano kayo naisip niya nung may nakita siyang lemon? Sige. Ano natin? Ano ba tayo mag-move?
Ayaw.
Oh, wait na. Sige, ulitin natin. So, wait panoorin natin. So, nalungkot siya kasi hindi naman siya lumipad talaga. Bakit tayo mag-move? Ayan, nalungkot. The boy got sad. Pero, nung nakita niya yung lemons, napaisip siya. Ay, ba't ganun? Ano-ano. Anong nangyayari? Ayan. So, may naisip siya. Ano yung drawing niya? Ayan. Ano yun? What do you think he did?
Beauty. Lemon juice.
Ano?
Beauty. Lemon juice store.
He sells,
She sells.
he started to sell lemon
She
juice.
started to sell lemon juice.
Why do you think he started to sell lemon juice? To
Keep his coins.
earn money.
To earn
So
money.
he can earn money, so he started selling the lemons. Diba? Diba? So, when he sees the lemon, he got an idea na magtinda ng lemon. So, he can earn money. Why do you think he wants to earn money? Ayan, tingnan mo, nagtinda siya ng lemon, no? So, marami na siyang pera. Lumaki na siya. Nagtinda. Panay lemon na lang tinitinda niya hanggang tumanda na siya, Sam. The boy became old. Naging old na siya and still he sells the lemon. Sige, play. No? Ayun na, marami na siyang pera. Marami na siyang pera. Why do you think he wants to, why do you think he wants to have more money, Sam?
He played a market.
To, what do you think? What do you think he wants to have more money? Bakit? Bakit kaya? Bakit kaya gusto niyang mag-earn ng maraming pera, Sam? What do you think? Hmm?
30 kids.
Ha? Lakas mo. He wants to
He wants to break his rocket toy.
He wants to ano? He wants to what? To buy?
To
Do
buy
you think he wants to buy a rocket
toy.
ship? Let's see. Sige, play. Kaso, he gets old na. Pero ando pa rin yung toy, oh. Ay, saan? Ayaw maggalaw. Ang dami na niyang pera. Ah, nilagyan niya ng maraming pera. Ay, ano ba yan? Sige. Sige. Stop. Sam, yan ang mga play mo. Kaya mag-play. So, inubos niya yung perang inipon niya dun lang sa machine. Ay, dun sa ano. Tapos, kala niya makakalipad pa rin siya. Do you think he can fly now? Nilagyan niya ng more money?
Yeah.
Ha? Can he fly now with the more coins? Ha?
No.
Why not? Bakit hindi? Why not, Sam? Hindi pa rin mag-work, di ba? Ganun lang, uga-uga lang. Ayan na. Lumipad! Lumipad yung rocket. Paano nangyari yun? Paano nangyari yun? Lumipad yung rocket eh. It's a toy lang. Diba? Wag, no. Don't stop it. So, ano na nangyari? So, ano yung pinanood mo? Can you summarize it? Ano yung pinanood natin? Sino yung main character dun sa story?
Boy.
A little boy.
I made the boy.
So, ano yung little boy? Anong nakita mo dun sa little boy? The little boy,
He's playing with his toy. Rocket toy.
he loves to play
He wants to play
rocket
rocket toy.
toy. So, parang someday he wants to fly. Diba?
He wants to fly.
Oo. So, what did he do para maka-fly siya? Anong ginawa niya? Ano ganyan? Anong ginawa nung little boy?
Little boy.
Anong ginawa? Diba, nasad siya kasi huminto yung rocket, hindi naman lumipad. Diba, it did not fly. It did not fly, the rocket. So, what did he do? Anong ginawa niya? What did the little boy do? He started
to fly.
No, first. He started ano?
He started to fly.
No. Paano siya nakaipon ng pera? 'Di ba he started mag-ipon ng pera? Paano siya nag-ipon ng pera? How did he start saving money? Anong ginawa niya? Anong ginawa ng bata? Hindi mo na matandaan? What did he do? Nag-sell?
He
He started selling?
started selling
Ano yung tininda niya? Ano yung, ano na yun, juice? He started selling,
Sandwich juice.
anong juice yun?
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice. So, he started selling lemon juice, since kid until he gets older.
He
Diba?
gets older.
But when he gets older,
To get all the coins. To fight with rocket toy.
so he went back to the rocket toy and then put all the coins. Diba? Sabihin mo nga. So, when he gets older, sabihin mo, when the boy gets older, sabihin mo,
Yes.
you repeat after me. When the boy
When the boy
gets older,
gets older,
he went back
he went back
to the rocket
to
toy
the rocket toy
and put all the
and
coins
put all the coins to fly
to fly the rocket.
the rocket.
Nga.